Hi guys, I am April Jackson, beautifully and wonderfully made, and today I am trying something new. I got this vase from Michael's. I thought it was really cute, and I think they have the same vase at Dollar Tree, but I got it from Michael's. And I also got this, it says decorative filler, but it's like shattered glass. And I was walking by, I was actually looking for some, what was I looking for? Some elastic, because I was going to make some face masks. And I saw this and I was like, oh my god, I remember seeing a video a while ago. This lady, she made this big pretty thing to go on the wall. But I was like, what can I use it for? So I saw the vase and saw the filler, so I'm going to try something new today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to put this glass all over this glass and make it like a decorative piece. To go in the house. I don't know what I'm putting in it yet, but I think it'll be fun. So what I'm going to use is, again, I got this vase. You can get it from Michael's or you can get it from the Dollar Tree. And I have this shredded glass, which I purchased from Michael's. I have a little sponge brush I got from the Dollar Tree, and some Mod Podge, which I got that from the Dollar Tree. You can get it from Michael's as well. You can get all this from Michael's, really. But here goes nothing.